Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabiha Malik. It's grade 7 computer science book, chapter number 1, elements of the computer system. Yes, students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 1. You have to open your book at page 17. The question number 3 is, give the full form of the following. Here some forms are given. We have to write the full forms of the following. The first one is OMR. O stand for optical, M stand for mark, R stand for reader. So OMR stand for optical mark reader. The next one is USB. U stand for universal. U stand for universal, S stand for serial, and B stand for bus. Universal serial bus. The third one is PROM. It's a type of ROM. P stand for programmable. P stand for programmable. R stand for read. O stand for only. M stand for memory. So PROM stand for programmable, read only, memory. The last one is EEPROM. E stand for electrically. It's also type of ROM. E stand for electrically. E stand for erasable. P stand for programmable. Read only, memory. You can write it like this, or you can write it electrically erasable, PROM, read only, memory. Both are correct. The question number 4 is fill in the blanks. The first one is the other name for main memory is prime memory. The other name for main memory is primary memory. Yes, students, primary memory is also called as main memory. The B is dash is similar to a floppy disk. Zip disk is similar to a floppy disk. RAM is also known as read, write, memory. RAM is also known as write, memory. RAM is also known as read, write, memory. Different types of non-impact printers are thermal. There are 3 types of printers. The first one is thermal, the second one is inkjet, and the third one is laser printer. Now come to the page 18. E. The pen of the graphic tablet is known as stylus. The pen of graphic tablet is known as stylus. F dash is best suited for checking objective type answer papers. OMR. You can also write its optical mark reader or OMR. Question number 5 is state true or false. A line print can print one line at a time. Yes, it's true, as its name is line printer. So it's obvious from the name that line printer can only print a line at a time. Non-impact printers have mechanical contact between the print head and paper. No, student, it's false. Non-impact printer do not have mechanical contact between the print head and paper. The C, a touch screen responds to the touch of a finger. It's true. A plotter is an output device. Yes, it's true. Magnetic tapes are mounted in a cassette. Yes, it's true. A microfilm is an input device. No, student, it's false. Microfilm is an output device. I hope so you all understand the exercise. If you have any issue, you can comment below. Allah Hafiz.